I am at school, and it's Sunday. We're taking part in 10 out of 12s, which means 10 out of the 12 hours we are here we will be rehearsing. 2 of them we will be at a dinner break, which is what we're doing now. I have with me Kristen. She has a smoothie.
We are in no way sponsored by Tropical Smoothie.
Are you Charlie Sheen? The play we're doing is The Shape of Things by Neil LaBute. The Shape of Things. Check it out.
It's pretty good. It's an interesting show. It is about a... That's our crew. About a relation... Oh, well, there you go.
They're working very hard.
A bunch of the cues and that stuff, so it's kind of on break because we were pissing them off. They will deny it, but pretty much that happened. Anyway, The Shape of Things.
And there's Melissa.
She's our stage manager.
She's in control. I listen to you.
I listen to you.
When I drink my soda, I walk out. I walk out. Yeah. I admit, sometimes I'm silly, but I listen. And there's Katie.
She's one of our leading ladies.
Oh, hi. Is that a camera?
It is a camera. Camera loves Katie.
Oh, what are you guys doing, huh?
Vloggen.
Vloggen?
Vloggen.
Stop vlogging? Vloggen?
Vlog is written.
Vloggen, Vloggen.
Vloggen,
That's German.
Oh, not my jealous, huh?
That's Katie. She's cute.
You should see my outfit.
We're statues. They hired us to stand there and be
hired. That's why we're getting paid. We're not getting paid.
You're getting paid to stand there. I'm not getting paid.
Yeah, Melissa's
getting
reevaluating her role in the show. Like, I'll fucking be a statue. How much are you getting paid?
This is Dave's. I went to get it for him, but he hasn't gotten back yet, so I'm gonna take some.
You're gonna give it to him, have him basically like, okay.
It's already like...
It's already gone. Melissa like downed it.
Melissa took 2 sips. I took like 10. We have 50 minutes until we have to do that.
I wanted to nap. Matt's like, come vlog with me. It's Sunday. I have to vlog. Dun, dun.
I think you're the only person who watches me. I watch it. It's not subscribed. Why not?
Subscribe.
That's what I'm always like.
Everyone who watches Matt is in the video.
Pretty much.
But we love him, so it's okay.
I think I'm gonna start associating this with SAT films more.
We got more videos.
Because like I do the bonus feature Fridays now, so I think I like now on my vlogs I'm gonna say stuff.
I was supposed to be in a video.
This week's film is really cool.
They were filming. I was supposed to be in a video. They were filming when I had to work because I just quit my job.
Yeah, she was supposed to be in a horror movie.
I can scream. I can scream much better than that. Andrew's in the video.
Oh yeah, he's one of the creepy. Ew.
This vlog needs to help.
We should like run down the hallway. Let's run down the hallway skipping.
No, you're not gonna see my ass skipping. You go skip. I'll hold the camera.
I'm not.
Andrew, go skip.
I don't have to.
Do it. There, turn it. Hey, go.
Skip.
That's not a skip.
Oh my goodness. There it is.
I got some.
That was great.
I didn't know what that turned that way.
I didn't know you could soar like that, man. Hello. Welcome to, what's your vlog name? Is it just Matt?
It's actually Matt ate my ex heart.
Hi. Welcome to another...
It's a Lady Gaga reference. Get over it.
Hi. Welcome to another episode of the vlog of Matt. Hi. And welcome. What do you want?
No, you're doing a great job. That's
9/7 works.
True.
I haven't vlogged.
I know. That's why I asked her, because she's such a pro.
My question.
Go check her out. Her link is
don't.
right here.
Don't. Don't. It was high school. I may have been drugged. I don't remember. I might have been a little high. Most of my videos, if you read the annotation, says took a lot of NyQuil. Don't know why I'm online right now. Just no.
She has a great Russian impression. Do Olga. Ladies and gentlemen,
No.
I now present
No.
to you Olga.
Hello, my name is Olga. I am Irish immigrant from Russia. My apologies to the Russian people and the Irish. I'm sorry that I'm one of you. I've brought shame to the island. I apologize.
Wouldn't you be falling this way?
I would. Then tilt it the other way so I can fall out of the screen.
It doesn't look like you're falling in the screen.
No!
Oh my god, Andrew, you should totally pull her feet out of frame so it looks like she's sliding. I don't think that worked. I don't think that worked at all. Oh no, we have to present the link, the quote of the week.
Quote of the week.
Let me find one.
All art is useless. Oscar Wilde.
No. It has to be the first random quote that pops up.
My finger smells funny.
Success
Anonymous.
It's alright.
Oh, no. The existence of the flamethrower just proves that at some point, sometime, someone went, I want to set those people over there on fire. George Carlin.
Okay. Well, the official quote of the week. Why am I looking here?
Oh, look
I
there.
was looking here. That's not even like...
This one.
This is where the people are.
Yeah. That's why I put my sunglasses on. I kept looking at myself.
The official quote of the week is...
My finger smells funny. By Anonymous.
No. That's not it at all. Success in business requires training and discipline and hard work. But if you're not frightened by these things, the opportunities are just as great today as they ever were.
I like that quote. Definitely. If your parents never had children, chances are you won't either. David Kravitz, 1936. Or that's what he was born. I like that one.
Oh, I like this one!
I was on the floor.
Right.
Where did I kneel in?
I like this one. Alright,
Okay.
I found the official one. I don't care what you say. This is... I need to be in it too!
No! My show. Hi.
This is the official quote of the week. There's a fine line between fishing and just standing on the shore like an idiot. The Tooth Fairy teaches children they can sell body parts for money. Seeing as I skipped a few weeks, all these are the quotes for this week. All of these. You're getting a whole bunch of quotes. Well, I think that concludes this week's Sunday vlog. Stay tuned. This was Chris and Strand
Hi.
on a very special episode of Vlogs. Stay tuned, and also watch for the next film from SLPM Films, which comes out tomorrow. So, and after it comes out, I will post a link.
Right here on my face. Like right across the sunglasses.
Okay.
Like a privacy bar.
That's where I'll put it.
Right here.
So, that's it. Enjoy your week and all those quotes, and see you next week. Bye!
Bitches!
Goodbye!
Bitches!
Actually, I'm not a horse. I'm a broom.
Oh my god!
How do you feel?
To be honest,
with you, Diane,
I'm surprised.